Welcome to the Q4S conference on students with disabilities in education and training in Cappadocia 2011. The conference was organised by Mr. Alpa Elisin and Mrs. Zara Elisin of BCD in Turkey. Alpa Elisin kindly acted as translator for the duration of the whole conference, which was held at the Tourist Hotel in Cappadocia in Turkey on May 2nd, 2011. The international conference featured speakers from Turkey, Greece, Australia, Bulgaria and the UK. In addition to the project partners, the speakers included government ministers, senior academics with responsibility for teacher education and special education provision, practitioners who are using the Q4S web resource, and, of course, the disabled students who use the resource on a regular basis. Participants of the conference were welcomed by the Q4S project coordinator, Dr. Val Chapman from the University of Worcester in the UK. Welcomes were also offered by the Deputy Governor of Nevşehir and the Rector of the University of Nevşehir too. The conference was very fortunate indeed to have the head of EZİDA, which is the special education branch of the Ministry of Education in Turkey, as their keynote speaker. Professor Konstantinos Kotsis from Prūdos in Greece and Dr. Chris Riley from the University of Worcester in the UK gave presentations concerning the research that had been conducted for the project. Information was gathered from a total of 175 disabled vet students across the UK, Turkey, Greece and Bulgaria. They reported on disabled students' views of their learning and teaching experiences and the effect that this had had on the design of the new web resource. Zara Elisin then gave a presentation and a demonstration of the Turkish website. This was followed by personal accounts of disabled students and the usage of the Q4S web resource. Daniela Manova from Bulgaria explained how useful the Q4S resource had been when using it with her students on a vet course in Bulgaria. The presentations were lively and informative and prompted a lot of discussion and responses from the audience. Q4S is a tool to help disabled people become more powerful self-advocates, to become more successful in their studies and in gaining employment. Many important issues were raised, including, for example, the need to keep effective data, and also the individual nature of disability and the effects that that can have on learning and on employment. Also, issues to do with mainstream education as opposed to special education. It was recognised that really there is a need for both, with people at the more extreme end of disability requiring services not usually to be found in mainstream schools. Everyone agreed to go away from the conference and talk about the Q4S web resource to as many people as possible, to spread the message and to make a big impact, and to make a real difference to the lives of disabled students in vocational education and training.